I'm Katie Alyce and I'm going to be teaching you how to belly dance. In today's episode, we're going to be learning how to do a Maya. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment below if there's any videos you'd like to see. Grab a space to practice, grab your favorite hip scarf, and let's get started. Let's start by taking our feet hip width apart. Our shoulders will roll back and down, chest open and hips slightly tucked under. So we're going to be using a combination of our hip slides and our hip snaps. If you want to go over the hip snaps in more detail, there's another video that I've made just on hip snaps, so it's in the description below, so check that one out. So let's start by using our hip slides. So really exaggerate that movement, push your hips all the way out. Try and keep the rest of your body in line, so just pushing from the hip out. For the hip snaps, let's just warm up those muscles. So really pushing one hip down as one hip squeezes up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's imagine we've got that pencil again. Let's squeeze in from the right side, or from the left, whichever one you want to start with. So squeezing in the pencil, and we're going to push our hip out to the side. Wait until you're pushed all the way out until you let the hip come down. So the knee will bend and hip will push down. Simultaneously, the left side will squeeze up. Then we're going to push the hip over to the left. Again, wait until the hip is all the way over to the left before you push the hip down. Let's try that a few times. So push the hip out, hip comes down, hip slides out, hip pushes down. So just make sure that you keep your feet flat on the ground when you're doing the Maya. I don't want to see any cheating heels. Keeping your feet flat, lifting the hip up and over, up and over. Good, take that in your own time, build it up, feel more confident, and when you do, we'll make it even smoother. So imagine that you're lifting over. Your hip is coming up, out, over, down. And there you have it, a Maya. Down and smooth it out. Keep it going, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll go fast. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And slow. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And fast. 2, 3, 4. That was great. And don't forget to tune in to next week's tutorial and learn more about belly dance.